Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what we believe are the best hood clips available on the market right now. We're talking about the JHCKYMMYTBD 50pcs hood insulation retainer clips. Designed specifically for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram 1500 vehicles. These hood insulation retainer clips are a must-have if you own one of these vehicles. They replace the OEM part number 4878883AA and are made of high-quality nylon. Each clip comes with precise dimensions. The head diameter is 30 mm, stem length 12 mm, and stem diameter 8 mm, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're wondering why you should choose these clips over others, it's simple. They offer superior quality and reliability at an affordable price point. Customers have consistently praised these clips for their durability and ease of use, making them a favorite among automotive enthusiasts. In conclusion, the JHCKYMMYTBD 50pcs hood insulation retainer clips with the included fastener remover tool are undoubtedly the best choice for anyone looking to replace their hood insulation clips. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these clips will meet your expectations and more. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.